All right, we are still in
the Arctic.
North Pole, very, very, very top of the world. All right, we are gonna make our scene today, so just dump everything out. Miss Chrissy, why do we have a straw? You will shortly find out. Excuse me. All right, put your iceberg onto the side and then just sort out your pieces. All right, so what do we have? We have
an igloo over here. We have a dog sled with a little boy. That is so cute, so cute. Is that a narwhal, Miss Chrissy?
I had to put it.
And you know what? Narwhals are real animals. They are not made up.
They are called the unicorn of the sea. They are real.
They are real. We have an Arctic fox. We have, ooh, what are those? Just a big glaciers.
Yep.
Ooh, cool. And a little seal.
He looks friendly.
He looks friendly. I don't know.
Don't mess.
Nope, just let them be.
Okay, so we are going to take our cubes and we are going to stand up our scene. Okay, so just put a little bit of glue on each side. Just enough for it to stand up. Because, you know, Miss Chrissy likes everything standing up.
Oh, yeah.
All right, our narwhal.
Miss Chrissy, do you think that your dogs would be good at pulling a sled?
No. No. Rigo would be like, it's a little cold out here. I'm going to go sit by the fire. And he's just lazy. So, no, he would not. Lexi's too old. She's a lab. She likes to swim. But I don't think she would like to be attached to anything.
And Snoop the French
Snoop is
bulldog.
just too small.
Yeah.
Way too small. What about Daryl?
Oh, he would try, but I don't think he'd succeed very well.
Yeah.
Yep. He likes having little tasks and jobs to do, but I don't know. He's a pug, though. I don't think he can handle a sled. Oh, cute.
Let's see. Got our fox that blends in, and when an animal blends in with the environment that it is around, what is that called?
That is called camouflage.
That's so that they can hide very easily so that they don't get eaten.
That's right.
Okay. All right. These dogs are made to be outside in the cold, though.
Yes, they love it. Huskies and Malamutes, they were made for this. They are
They
very
love it.
happy in the snow.
And you know how they keep warm?
How do they keep warm?
Don't they dig in the snow and make little, like, burrows?
Oh, that's so cool. I actually didn't know that. That's really neat.
Hopefully Miss Chrissy didn't make that up.
I believe it.
No,
It makes
I'm pretty
sense.
sure
Yeah.
that's, yeah. All right. So, now, this part, parents, you may want to skip. It's up to you.
Yes.
But, you know, Miss Chrissy likes things that look cool.
And shiny.
And shiny. So if you want, you can get like a little cookie tray or something, or have just the trash can nearby so that you can put glue all on your iceberg, and then we're gonna make it glisten.
That's right. That's right.
Okay. If you want, I would suggest to just take little pinches out so you don't have so much. But if you have the trash can or something underneath, you can just dump it and kind of, you know,
Yeah.
shake it. That's what I was getting at. All right, so put on as much or as little as you want. I just wanted enough to make it look like ice. Okay, you can give it a little, push it down a little bit.
Little pats.
All right, now here comes the fun part. I don't see a background, do you?
I do not see a background.
And why do I have a straw?
Oh boy.
Random. All right, so while this is drying, you are going to, and when you can even bring our Polly the polar bear out as part of our Arctic scene, you're gonna kind of want to just make them spaced out. Trying to get it so that you can see it and I can actually do it. And you can do it on the floor or wherever. Now there's two choices. You can do it without a cheap piece of paper, or you can fold the piece of paper over and glue to the bottom and have a piece sticking up, okay? Two choices, all right? I am going to, I'm going to show you how it is with. Okay, so we'll just put a little glue and then just anywhere on your iceberg. I like to make it go long ways, but if you want to make it short ways, that's fine too. All right, and then first thing you're going to do is try to move your iceberg without anything on it. Okay, and you're going to try to move it through your scene. Woo!
Oh boy, all right.
Yeah.
Need some breath control. Oh, there we go.
Okay, and now Miss Chrissy is sitting, so I'm gonna cheat and move it. Okay, and you're gonna keep moving your body to get it to wiggle around your scene. Okay, using this. All right, if you want it harder, take that off. Okay, and then you're gonna have to adjust where you're blowing. You see how Miss Chrissy is like moving and I'm hitting just the sides? And if you don't hit it just right, you're not gonna move it. Okay? Last thing. Ready? Harder, harder, hardest. Pick an animal.
That's good. Your narwhal, yep.
Okay? Put your narwhal on. And again, you can use the paper or not. And then try to see, because you're going to have to adjust how hard you are blowing through the straw, because now I have something on it. Uh-oh. See, I need to go over here.
Yep.
Miss Chrissy's going to move it just because I can, because I don't want to get up. All right. So just kind of try to move your body, adjust your straw, adjust where you're blowing on it, and how hard to try to wiggle it and move it throughout your scene.
I think that's pretty cool.
All right, that's what I have. All right, you guys, I hope you have fun with that. Be sure to put everything away because, again, you can use this all over again. Over and over. All right, and tomorrow we are making our walrus, so you could add him
That's right.
to your scene. All right, so make sure you put everything away. See you tomorrow.